What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another unboxing video. I've done this before, and I've got a fair amount of interest on these things. So I thought, you know what? I got this fan. Why not unbox it? There's probably not going to be a lot to it. A lot of times when you buy a fan, they're already put together, even though there's been some that came several pieces that I had to do. So we'll see what this is. This is a Utilitech. It's a 20-inch height oscillating tower fan. Durable plastic construction with glossy black finish. I've actually bought Utilitech fans before, especially those round metal ones. That's more like higher speeds. I like them, but after the first year, the motor definitely starts to get pretty hot if you run it too long. So, see how it goes with this. But rotary knob, switch with 3 settings, built-in handle, sturdy base it says. I got this at Lowe's. I think it was like $30, I believe. So let's open this bad boy up, shall we? Show you the directions. I don't think there's not really ever much to these directions, but all right. Here we go. First thing, packaging. Here we go. And then the fan. So I don't think there'll be much to this one. This one probably is we all put together, but we will see. Just gonna put this down. Might be a little bit more short. Cardboard. Okay, this one's going to involve a little bit of construction. To the base. And it looks like the bottom is more of that packaging stuff that was on the top. Bet you these just snap together. So we have 2 parts of the base. We'll show it to you. It's warm today, as usual. Bags was put in. Looks like there's the directions. Put that down there. Yeah, just like the Hulk. Directions. The way that looks, it's just going to snap in, basically, I think. But I will double check. Yeah, let's do it right here on camera so you can see how easy it is. I think the biggest problem would be is just getting this cord off out of this bag. Look at that. And here's the directions. I won't show you like super close-ups or nothing. Just give you an idea. It looks like I'm in the Spanish part. Most directions will have it in English and Spanish. Both. Once in a while, you'll see French. And then sometimes, like Chinese. Yep, just snaps in. I'll do that for you on camera. Just gotta make sure you put the cord through the hole and everything. Let's do this. Here we go. This is probably best to do when you're not holding this fan. And then I think just want to make sure I don't want to mess this up. You know, this is pretty much non-mess up proof. Yeah. Gotta put the cord through this. Pretty easy to line these grooves. It's not complicated, but kind of a bit of an odd angle. I don't want to push down on that too hard. It's not complicated, but just sometimes, you know, the non-complicated things seem to be a bit of a pain. Yeah, that's how it goes. Oh, this is coming apart a little, that's why. There, now we should be able to get it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm saying it's not complicated, now I'm struggling. Well, you know what? Wait a minute. No, I want to try to do this all on camera. You can see the perils of doing these things. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, I got it, I think. So that's all in the groove. Yeah, they're all poked in, so I think I got it. Yeah. And then you hook it right here, pushed in this little groove thing, and then it goes in the other groove thing. That way when you put this flat on the ground, it doesn't like bump it up, see? And then there. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There you go. Now let's give this bad boy a try. Let's plug it in. I'm going to plug this in, and I will show you how well it works. Oh, got this little, twisty thing. Let's plug it in. Luckily I have a plug out here. Okay, I'm going to take you over there. Let's see. Oh yeah. It's nice cold air. Well, cold as you can be outside. There it goes, twisty. Should come right back. It doesn't feel that cold because it's hot out. Yeah, works pretty good. All right, but that is the unboxing and review of this. Yeah, I feel a good amount of air coming off of that. Feels nice. So any comments or questions? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye everybody. Bye.